It's match 13 of the Indian Super League. Mumbai City FC taking on the debutants SC East Bengal in what will turn out to be a fun contest to watch for all the neutrals. In this video, we will take a look at both the teams, their predicted lineups, and of course Fisto's Fantasy 11 tips for today's match. So let's first take a look at the SC East Bengal side. They started their campaign against the ATK Mohun Bagan, their arch rivals, and were defeated by them 2-0. However, their performance was really good and they probably would have bagged those 3 points had it not been against ATKMB. Let us take a look at the predicted lineup of the SC East Bengal side. Robbie Fowler always prefers a 3-man defense, and that's what he's expected to go forward with in today's match as well. Pilkington, Maghoma and Steinman impressed the Kolkata side, and if JJ is fit to play, he is expected to surely replace Balwant in the attack. So the predicted formation would be 3-4-2-1 with Devjit Majumdar as the goalkeeper, Dylan Fox, Scott Nevy and Gharami as the 3 centre-backs, Mitei, Steinman, Suchendra Singh and Narayan as the 4 midfielders, and JJ, Maghoma and Pilkington as the 3 forwards. We now talk about Mumbai City FC, the side that looks the best on paper, at least in this year's Hero ISL. But to be honest, they haven't really performed up to the best of their abilities, up to their expectations this year in the 2 matches that they've played. The last match that they played against FC Goa, if it was not for that penalty that Lefrondre converted with brute power, they would have had just 1 point in the last 2 matches. Going into today's match contest with a much needed 3 points against FC Goa, the Lobera side would be high on confidence. So the predicted lineup, Lobera has always played with a 4-2-3-1 formation right from his days at FC Goa, and he would want to continue with that, and he's not expected to change that at all. He will be boosted by the return of his engine Ahmed after he served the suspension for the red card he received in their first match. Other than that, there are not too many changes that are expected in the lineup. So the formation would be like 4-2-3-1 with Arminder Singh as the goalkeeper, Amey Ganesh Ranawade as the right back, Murtuza Fall and Sarthak Goloi as centre back, and Mandar Rao Desai as the left back, Ahmed Jahu and Roland Borges as the 2 centre defensive midfielders, Hugo Bomos, Farooq Chaudhary and Godrad in front of them, Adam Lefrondre being the striker. So what can be expected in the match today? Looking at the strength of Mumbai City FC, they are always the favourites, but their performance in this year has been pretty unconvincing so far. East Bengal would like to erase their memory from their last match against their arch rivals ATK Mohun Bagan and would want to bounce back against Mumbai City FC today. Nevertheless, it would be a treat to watch for all the football fans out there. So now it's finally time for Fisto's Fantasy 11 for today's match. So we've kept Devjit Majumdar as the goalkeeper, Danny Fox, Murtuza Fall and Sarthak Goloi as the 3 defenders, Hugo Bomos, Ahmed Jahu, Roland Borges, Anthony Pilkington and Maghoma as the midfielders, Adam Lefrondre and JJ as the attackers. That was the Fantasy 11 tip from Fisto Sports for you, and please note that it is subject to change depending on the actual lineup, because we've made this Fantasy 11 depending on what we are predicted into what can happen in the match today. Thank you for watching Fisto Sports. Stay tuned.